68 price area for the measure of this bracket break higher. Yes, you already had that. So you already had the idea of the measured move bracket. You already knew it was paycheck. You already knew it was kind of a possible cascading stop run. How did you know it was cascading stop runs? Because every time we print a level like this, we print another area of stops at the top edge, don't we? So we had stops in here. Stops here, we had stops here, we had stops here. So that's what generated that cascades running through that phase. And it drove the price up fast and furious. And there wasn't any chance for you to sell anywhere else. There wasn't any chance to sell anywhere else. And we've ended up getting a perfect price, perfect trade, and a perfect outcome. 68's down to a low price there of 62's. A 6-point move, $300, and it took us 60 seconds. Pretty good? Sure. Will we go again? Sure. Why not? Why not? Why would we not look at it a second time? Or a third time, or a fourth time, or a 10th time? Why would we not do that? We would always do it. So you just mark up your charts. You start thinking about the possibility that this may well happen again here. You start thinking, okay, 68, where are we getting to? What do you do next? You just take yourself out to the 15-minute chart prior to that and recognize that there's a top edge up here at 74s. Who didn't know that that top edge existed at 74 up here? Who was sleeping at the wheel? Who didn't know that these areas existed in the first place? So you can see that that structure high, you want to try and zoom in to try and find what that structure high means in terms of order blocks. So we'll take it down to a 5-minute chart, and then we'll look in that area for that sell side order block, and then we'll project it across, right? So there it is. There's the sell side order block just there. And what do you do with that information? You just project it across on your screens. And that's you got something from that higher time frame of analysis that now has some relevance on your charts. Make sense? Well, it should. It's what we've covered in the last few days. All good? Yeah, all good. As far as our bond is concerned, congratulations. We've just reached the bottom edge that we had thought we were going to reach. A perfect example of a perfect trade. 153.26s, 152.14s, a huge, easy money profit to target at 154.20, 154 halves, 154 half area. So great trade, massive profits on the sweep lower, and doesn't get much better or easier than that series of buys and sells. Pretty good? Well, I think it's pretty good. Well, I would know it's pretty good because it was my trades. But if you didn't know it was pretty good, that shows that you're not a professional bond trader yet. But that's okay. That's what you're here for. You're here to learn stuff. You're here to learn stuff. Make sure you always know what's driving your marketplace. If you don't, you shouldn't be live trading yet, guys. You should not be live trading yet. We've been scalping some oil. We've had quite a